Hey YouTube, there she is. Right there running. That's the idle all the way down. That rattle when you hear this thing right here knocking. That's pretty much it right there. Running real good. I figured I'd show you a first look at it running. Actually running right. Thing's not smoking nothing. Look at that, huh? That is a thing of beauty right there. Okay, had to kill it, sorry about that. Well, I took the air filter top off, and this turns out this whole foam thing right there is clogged up. So that's why it wouldn't idle or run like it was. So I gotta put that all back together. I gotta get a new foam for it. And I gotta fix the ignition switch. Other than that, this thing runs absolutely awesome. Like my fuel tank setup right here. Thing of beauty right there with that as well. Everything seems to be functioning just as it should. So I really can't complain with that except for the ignition switch. Throttle's working, choke's working. It did not need a choke spring, by the way. The choke wasn't in the right hole. So, moved it over. Bada bing, bada ba, bada boom. Houston, we have ignition. That untested coil actually worked out just fine. So I can't complain about that. I really can't complain about anything on this tractor. Especially when I got it for free. So it was a nice freebie. It was it's gonna work out good with that snowblower attachment, which I'm picking up tomorrow night. So it'd be good to get that here and that sort of thing done. So I gotta pop the battery back off and pull out the ignition switch, and I gotta get a new one for it. The ignition switch is 100% bad, which is why I can't start it with the key. So I did the testing on it, and across the poles I got nothing. So it could just be, it's just so rusted. Rust itself will do that. So I'm just happy this thing runs as good as it does. I mean, that thing sounds excellent. Good, solid, strong motor. Just the way I like it. Thing's a beast. Can't wait to see how this thing does with the snow. This fuel tank assembly right here actually came off of a 8 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. And I put it on here because I didn't want to use the fuel tank that's in the back, because I'll show you why that I didn't use that tank. See that cap? It's got a crack in the top right there, and it's just all full of water. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to deal with that this time of year. It's too cold out. I'll pull the tank down and flush it all out and get all the crap that's in there out. But for the winter, it can stay back there. And I'm actually going to use this, a valve and run 2 tanks on this. You can see right here, move the battery down here so it doesn't fall out. You can see the ignition switch is just all a ball of rust. Like, there's just no way. There's just no way. I don't even think I'm going to be able to get that unplugged. It's that bad. I sprayed it down with WD-40 the other day, and I can't even get this thing to loosen up. But maybe I can. can. So I'd really like to get that off there. I think the terminals are just snapping off. Oh yeah, that's really in there. And at this point, I know it's the ignition switch is why I can't get the what do you call it, the engine to turn over without it. So I'm really not even sweating it. I'm just gonna pop a new ignition switch into it. Might have to redo that connector on this thing too. See if I can get this off. Oh, yep, just broke free right there. Oh yeah, terminals are snapped right clear off this thing. This ignition switch is shot. Yeah. There ain't no love for this one left. The only thing we can do is match one up. Oh yeah. D-O-N-E, done. Put a fork in it, it's ripe. Oh yeah, look at that, huh? Yeah, terminals are popping out right now. Unfortunately, that's what happens when they sit. When they sit, there's no helping them. It's so in there, I can't even get the terminal off without prying it. Oh, look at that, huh? How sad is that? That's the one I jerry-rigged on it. Oh yeah, that thing is D-O-N-E, done. Put a fork in it, it's ripe. Let's see, hold that up. The ignition switch right here. Oh yeah, junk. So I gotta see if I can find a part number and get a. I got a pigtail I can throw on it from another, what do you call it, their machine. Switch out of it. See if I can't match something up. But for right now, this one's done. Got the old one out. Oh yeah, broken terminals right clear off of it. There ain't no helping this one. She's porked. Done. Well done. Too well done for my liking. So, see if I can't match one up. Make something that looks like it. See if I can find one. You need that schematic on the back of it though, or else you ain't gonna be able to find. There's that same style switch, but there's hundreds of them. You know what I mean? So, all right. Well, we got that part out. And is there any saving the plug? Yeah, looks like we can actually. It's missing all together, and then there's just these 4 wires right here. So I think we can clean those up and use them again. But one terminal we have to get out. So we'll flush it out and see what we can do with it, and hopefully find an ignition switch that will turn this thing and fire this thing right up. But at least we know the motor runs, and realistically, if that's all I have to worry about, game on. Let's do it. So anyway guys, that's all I have for right now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. There's a couple of short videos on this machine that I'm posting, pretty much back to back, but I mean, I just want to check the oil on it. This thing's been sitting for quite some time, and on its first fire up, that was pretty darn good. I'm very impressed with it. So get my kicks on this thing, I'll tell you that. So anyway guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Any questions, comments, by all means, send them my way. Thank you for watching. Bye.